What's up, boys and girls? Alex the Russian here. So today I have a video super with a lot of information. So if you have a problem, your car was running perfectly and one day your N54 335 or 135 or Z4 just doesn't start anymore. Out of nowhere, you try to crank the car, it doesn't start. First of all, I have a big problem right now. So my little baby, let me show you something. So my little baby, we were recording a long video of everything that happened here and how we fixed it. But my little baby did this. Yes, she broke the thing, she cracked it, and then I just broke it all the way. My whole SD card that I recorded everything what happened and how we were trying to find out the problem with this car. But I cannot do nothing. I'm super upset right now. And there's nothing I can do. First of all, first problem, check right away, is in your dashboard. 1 second. Is in your under your dashboard. Check this part right here. Try to wiggle it and make these things go like this, like make him go to the side a little bit. So I had a guy come out here, the automotive electrician. He checked everything right here, and turns out my car at this moment did not have this problem, but I had this problem before, and I'm just trying to tell you guys, just in case, if you have this problem, just make sure all the sides kind of go to the side like this, and then just put it inside and your car should start. But if this problem and another problem that I had, I'm about to tell you which problem it is. Your low pressure fuel pump, when you connect your JB4 or your MSG, your low pressure fuel pump is gonna say 0. This is the first problem that will do that, which wasn't the issue with my car, turns out, but in the low pressure fuel pump. So let me show you guys something crazy. This we already fixed here, but check this out. This is what happened here with my car. Why my car could not start. Let me show it to you. Alright, so this is low pressure fuel pump. You see, it burned completely inside, and it actually burned through right here. You see? And when I popped this piece, when he popped this piece, that electrician guy, he's like, Alex, I found your problem. So he wiggled this stuff and he put it inside and he started my car perfectly. And he's like, Alex, you gotta change this piece. But he's an electrician, but he's not a guy who understands in BMW so much. So I had to call my buddy, Andrew, so he can help me change these things, because we had to drill 2 holes right there. And I found, and I went and I got some parts from Anatoly BMW parts in Rancho Cordova. I forgot the streets, but you guys can Google him yourself. So I went to him and I bought pretty much brand new low pressure fuel pump cap. And I asked him to cut all the cables this much, and also inside. So he cut me cables from both sides. Luckily, this is what we needed. And Andre, my buddy, Andre, you know who you are. Thank you so much for helping me out. I recorded the whole video how he was fixing my car, but super sadly, all the information, thanks to my little daughter, is gone. So he rewired everything. He made sure everything looks perfect. We did everything correctly over there, and we put a brand new low pressure fuel pump cap in there. He took the pumps out, modified all the wires. He used the special anti-water anti-water stuff, like all the pieces to make electrical stuff perfectly. And he did it twice with 2 different kinds, one with the hard plastic, one with the rubber, and he changed everything. And the first time we couldn't start the car because we were moving the car, so he had it in drive mode, and I thought something was broken, but turns out I was so happy when Andre left. I remember this was the problem most likely, and I put it in park and I start the car. Car runs perfectly right now. But I'm super upset, guys, that I lost all my my SD card. She was trying to bite it. My goodness, I'm super upset because there was so much good information over there. Both guys who was coming by here, who was working on my car, I recorded everything, but now there's nothing I can do. But guys, if your car doesn't start, I don't know, where your N54 does not start, first of all, check this part right here. It's called fuel injection switch off. Wiggle it, make it go back and forth sometimes. If it doesn't work, put the pins out so it would have a good connection, because this problem almost every N54 has. My buddy had it, another guy had it, many people had it, but sometimes the red wire on the back, it would start to corrode and come off. That's even more issues. My problem was not like this, but your problem could be that a red wire on the back is loose, or the fuel injection piece. If nothing works, go on here, take your seat out. I didn't have to do that, but take your seat out and pop this plug over here, the first one, the first plug. Take it out and look at it. Look at that low pressure fuel pump cap inside and look at this. If it's dark, you have a big problem. You gotta change the low pressure fuel cap, because luckily my car did not burn, but it actually burned all the way through. And I'm super happy, super lucky that I think it was fueled by a pump or black mark. I forgot which of those guys, but they have a printed out design plastic which actually holds so strong that it even burned my cap through. It burned everything right here, but it did not even burn through here. It started to burn through, but it didn't even, like, it didn't go to the end, like it didn't start burning through, and my car did not got on fire. Luckily, because of this, I'm gonna find out which one I have, and I will put it in the description. Sorry about that. And I will tell you guys which stuff. It's super quality, but because of this, luckily, thank God, my car did not burn, or nothing happened, because it could have went boom. And I'm super happy it didn't do that. Anyways, guys, I'm super upset because I couldn't get you the full video. I'm super upset, but I'm just trying to help my guys, all my N54 people. If you have this kind of problem that your car, I don't know, or just doesn't start, make sure you check the fuel injection switch off, and then look at low pressure fuel pump. If it's not black over there, ask somebody to, or you do it yourself, take it out, take this box out, and just check the wires there. If you wiggled it and it doesn't work, also try to buy a new one. Try to buy a new one. I think it's like $15 or $18 online. Just buy a new one, try if it doesn't work, wiggle it. If it doesn't work, then check the back. The red cable sometimes comes off. That's when my buddy, another guy, Andre, he had the same problems, and he had a guy take the whole thing out, make sure everything's connected over there perfectly, connected even more, and the car was running perfect. Anyways, guys, I'm super upset about everything. I'm gonna go home. I'm super tired. I was just cleaning inside my shop. Everything's super clean now. All my fuels are here. All my drag pack tires are here. Ignite, methanol. My doors that we're gonna install the door handles for soon, and all the legs and windows that we're gonna install. I cleaned everything so nice, and I'm super excited. But anyways, guys, like the video, please. Just if you just like scrolling through and you see this video, if you like the information, just like it and subscribe, because most of you guys that are watching this video are not subscribed. Just press subscribe and watch my videos, because we're gonna have some crazy racing going on with this car. As some of you guys know, some of you don't, this car is really fast, and it does some cool things. It's not the fastest car, of course, but it's doing really good. So we're gonna go out and do some street racing soon, and some track racing. We're gonna try to get a 9-second quarter-mile pass and 4 seconds 60 to 130. Anyways, guys, I'm super tired. I'm out. See you guys later. Peace out.